There's gotta be something on here that is this.
BB-8,
There, oh, that's it.
is it a globe or a snow globe?
Yeah, there you go.
It's a snow globe! A BB-8 snow globe!
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Pocket Watch. I'm Vitaly, and I'm here with my good friends Liz, Jordan, aka CaptainSparklez, and Dalton, and we're playing the emoji gift game. One person comes over here, looks at a gift, goes over here to the phone, types in the emojis, and the person on the couch tries to guess what the gift is based on the emojis that we use. Pictionary, but with emojis.
I'm not looking.
Okay, all right.
Is it emojiable?
I think
kinda
so.
saw
I know you
think
did.
so. All right, ready?
But it doesn't.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready.
Let's do it.
All right,
It's air.
Oh!
No, you can't help them.
something
yeah, no, help
dancing.
it, it's fine.
No, you
And
can't.
then,
Actually, help me if you want.
like,
Honestly, it's fine. It's a gift that has to do with dancing and soccer balls? Oh God, I'm at a loss.
it's like,
More dancing, really emphasizing the dancing.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh boy, I'm at a loss on this one.
Oh, I know.
What if it's like a BB-8 toy that's like, because it'd be like a thing running on a soccer ball? It doesn't, it's not that, I guess.
But it makes sense. I see where you got that.
oh gosh. Oh, I really thought there was one for this. Okay,
Dancing, soccer ball, more dancing, lots of dancing.
hold on, where is
Not
it?
so sure what else, we're running
Like,
out of time.
Ooh.
Oh, that's.
Wow, Dancing with the Stars. Something with Dancing with the Stars themed soccer ball.
No. no.
A Dancing with the Stars themed soccer ball that also says no a lot.
Dang it! You're
Is
getting
it a
closer.
disco ball?
Yeah.
Yes!
I really thought there was a disco ball emoji, and I thought it was gonna be easy, but I
Okay.
was trying to do like dance ball.
I get it
Dance
now.
ball, guys.
And like
yeah,
little
yeah.
sparkles.
Dance and
No, that was-
sparkles.
Hey, look at that dance
was
ball
my
up
fault.
there. I'm gonna.
You're gonna emoji it?
I'm gonna emoji.
Okay, we'll switch.
All right, come on.
Do it.
And you're off.
Got it.
What's it gonna be? I'm gonna
It's
try.
people,
I'm gonna try to
is it
help
an
you.
animal? It's a nature.
It's a giraffe. It's a moon.
planet.
It's a strawberry.
Food. Is it a food thing?
It's
okay.
it's a sushi.
It's a hot dog, a baseball,
like a
baseball
burger.
game, hot dog,
That looks like a hat.
It's mustard.
mustard, hot dog,
think it's a
bun.
A little bit of ketchup.
Is it a cat? Might be a cat.
Oh, boxing gloves. It
Are
might
you
be
looking for a
hot
baseball
dog-
game, a basketball game,
Hot dog boxing?
a stadium, an arena, a gun, a hot dog gun, hot dog. Thank you. Hot dog gun, hot dog squirt gun.
It's
It's a hot dog gun, hot dog squirt gun, a
No,
bun.
it's obviously not that.
Hot dog, gun, hot dog.
much more difficult than.
It's a hot dog again.
Hot dog.
Just in case you didn't know.
Time.
Do you guys want to guess?
Maybe a potato gun?
It was a gummy hot dog.
Oh!
Yeah.
So you were trying to use a pun?
I was trying to
gun?
gun.
Not a gif, not a gift,
Okay,
not a
here we
gift.
go. Let's think on this.
Your knees.
Here we go.
Okay.
And we are off.
All right.
Let's see if we can get some like recently used in here.
Star gun.
There's a little bit of that.
Glitter. Is it glitter related?
Where
Is
the other-
it,
is there
does
a
it shoot
thing?
something? Is it a squirt gun? Is it a gummy? Is that what we're doing again?
Maybe
glitter.
maybe that.
Star? Is it star related? Space related? Moon, sun,
Come on, is
star.
there anything like this for the thing? There's nothing for the, oh
Is
God.
it a night light? Is it a light? You're not saying yes or no.
Oh,
Flashlight.
No.
It's not a flashlight.
Oh,
Sounds like you
there it
stubbed
is.
your toe.
There we go.
It's a knife. Sword. Star sword.
Oh, I know what it is.
A lightsaber.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lightsaber.
Woo! There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
All right, we got one.
I got the first on the
job.
Star Wars. I got that.
First point of the game so
Yay!
far. Good job.
Okay,
I don't know
okay.
if I would have guessed with
No,
those
you
emojis,
did great.
so you did
This
better
was
than
great.
me.
Okay.
I got excited.
Is that supposed to be like a distraction? So they
Candy.
can't guess?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Oh,
Yes.
That was a lot of communication right there.
Yeah.
It was just we were told.
you can.
He was
confirm.
churning the air. He was hot, churning the air. Chocolate pen.
Thank you!
What was
Chocolate pen! That is exactly what this is.
What?
It is a chocolate pen.
That was so easy.
Yeah.
It was so easy.
was really
but
easy.
that's why I said just guess whatever. Just say the name.
I like this. This is when you write notes and you want to destroy the evidence, but you hate eating paper.
What the heck? Okay.
Oh, what the? Can you just do something easy like chocolate and pen? Any of the recently used gonna apply here. Keep that in mind. You have the recently used. Okay, an alligator.
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's specifically the alligator, not just animals.
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Can we do a double take?
It's the alligator?
Yeah. Okay.
Or could it be crocodile alligator candy?
I don't know what animal that is.
Candy gummy.
Uh-huh.
Crocodile gummy candy, animal gummy candy, not gummy bears, obviously. Gummy reptiles. A lot of gummy alligators are.
Yeah. It's a gummy alligator and a
Wait, I said that like
Yeah, what?
because it was like you didn't say, but you got it.
I did say.
Wow,
it.
you're really specific.
Okay.
Present.
Smiley face, winky face, goofy face.
It's a decapitated head in the box.
Goofy face,
no.
goofy, silly. Silly. Okay, silly. Silly string?
Yes!
Yeah! Oh! I'll try to block it with whatever I can.
How
Dalton.
specific does it have to be?
Very.
Go. All right, so we're just thinking about stuff.
Okay, stuff, star. Oh, Star Gun again? Star Wars again? Okay, so it's about Star Wars. Soccer?
And then wait.
BB-8? BB-8 dancing?
And then I got. Wait. Okay. So now.
I know what it is. I know.
Yeah. How do
Is it a BB-8 dance game? Dance ball? Disco ball? BB-8 disco ball?
How do I find a thing that describes this? Oh wait. Is there? Hold on. Come on. Have I passed it? I don't know where things are.
It's a BB-8 karaoke machine? BB-8 microphone, BB-8 CD player, BB-8 stereo, BB-8. It's BB-8, right? Okay. And it has to do with dancing? No? BB-8 dance shoes, BB-8 dress, BB-8 tutu, BB-8.
Ooh, beach, volcano.
No.
It's just
There's
naming
gotta
things I
be
see.
something on here that is this.
BB-8,
Croissant. Croissant.
yeah, BB-8 croissant.
Oh, there. And then,
BB-8 snowflake?
there. Oh, that's it.
Okay, BB-8 globe? Is it a globe or a snow globe?
Yeah, there you go.
It's a snow globe! A BB-8 snow globe! Aww.
There we go.
Oh, it's cute. He's got a scarf on. That's so cute.
We got real. That is the most specific we have gotten.
Yeah, that's
on a
really-
particular item here.
Oh, you're telling me no pressure.
It's
Food?
I'm hungry. Stop going by the food.
it's nothing.
Is there an emoji for this? Oh, we don't have the updated emojis.
Oh no.
Um,
That's why I'm at a distinct advantage
Kinda
having never updated my phone.
this kind of like.
Sick eggs? Eggs sickly?
They're purposefully rotten eggs that are sold at grocery stores in case you feel like cleansing yourself.
Oh,
No, smelly stuff? Stinky,
okay.
stinky animal, stinky pig.
Oh, Dalton?
I mean, it's a stinky pig,
Actually
yeah.
called the stinky
It's
pig.
just a stinky
What
pig.
is it?
Okay.
This is so weird.
What's it?
This is a guy who did not prepare for the meeting on Monday. What's your toy idea?
We need to have a tiebreaker because we're tied now. We've decided that one person is going to do the typing and then one person from each team is going to be guessing, so it's fair. What the heck?
Oh, good. That's always a good sign.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen something like this.
Okay.
Wow, that's
Do you know what it is?
I do.
Okay.
It's kind of weird though. Okay.
No time limit, it's just first to guess.
Okay, first to guess.
All right. Whoo boy. Oh boy. Thinking of all the things that that could
Just-
stand for.
Yeah, I don't
Don't think too much into it. It's just
Okay,
James
so
and
two.
the giant peach.
no, but part of that is correct.
What?
It's just look at it and what is it?
Gummy peach?
No.
We've had gummy several things. I thought I might as well throw that out there.
It's like, oh shoot, how do you do this? Okay.
Peach. Peach
Uh,
plushie?
Something soft, something a squishy peach, squishy,
Yeah,
peach
yeah,
squishy,
yeah,
peach,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
peach squishy.
Yeah.
What? What's
I mean,
a peach
I mean,
squishy?
yeah. It is literally a squishy peach.
It's oh.
It's
Oh.
it's a peach that's squishy. Squish it.
I see.
So it's like a
Why is this
Let's
peach
try out
pink?
there. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Vitaly.
I'm Liz.
I'm Dalton.
And this is Captain Sparklez, aka Jordan, aka Captain Sparklez. Make sure to check out his channel. You guys probably already know it anyway. So like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what other games you want us to play or what you think this thing is exactly.
A squishy peach.
A squishy peach.
stress ball.
Stress ball. Let us know what you think. And we'll see you guys later.
Probably
Bye.
not, probably not for that though.
Stop eating.